Hi all, welcome to yet another video on interview questions in Tableau. So in this video, we'll be discussing about an interview question related to set actions. Now let's first understand what is set actions. So set actions change the values in a set dynamically, which helps in controlling the visualizations. So that means we will create a set, and once you implement that as a set action, it changes the value on the fly, and in that process it controls the visualizations also. That means it changes the graphs, or if you are creating a table also, it changes the view. So now let's get started. So let's say, for example, if I want to show country, and let's say I want to show state, I'll select add all members, and I will select profit, let's say from images, and I will drag it to text. So I'm showing it in a tabular form. Now here it shows me country and state wise what is the total profit. Now my requirement is that if I click on any particular country, it should show me the states related to that particular country and the profit values of each and every state. And rest other countries should not be visible in this particular view. So let's say if I select Afghanistan, it should show me the states related to Afghanistan and the profit values of each and every state of Afghanistan. But rest of the countries should not be visible. Now for this, we need to go with set actions. So before that, what we need to do is we need to create a set. Now the question is, on which dimensions should we create a set? Should we create a set on country or should we create on state? Now you have to check in the question on which column you need to apply the action. So here the question was that I need to click on country. So that means we are applying the action on country column. So that means on this particular column, we need to create a set. So always check in the question on which column we are applying the action. So that on that particular column, we have to create a set. So since we are applying the action on country, so we need to create a set on country. So just right click on country column, create set. And here I'll give the name as country set. And I'll select all the values. So this country set will be used as the set actions. So that once I select a particular country, the values in the set will change. Now let's say if I select Afghanistan. So now initially we had all the values in that set. Now it will remove all the values or all the countries from the country set, and it will put only Afghanistan as the only member in the set. So that is why I've said in the beginning that it changes the values in a set dynamically based on the action. So now after that, what I will do is I will just remove this country column and I will drag this particular set. So make sure to drag the set in the cell whenever you are using action set. And I will just reverse it and I will select show members. So dragging of the set is very, very important. Otherwise action set don't work. So make sure that you drag the appropriate set to the self. Now click on worksheet menu and select actions. And if you have any action set created before, you can just remove it. Now click on add action, then select change set values. Now give a name of the set, let's say action set 1. Now source sheet is sheet 2 because this is my sheet which I am using, that is sheet 2. Now there are 3 types of actions. One is hover, select and menu. Now hover means if I put the cursor on any country, then it will show that particular country and rest of the countries will not be shown. Select means if I click on it. So here the requirement was to select. So that means I need to select the second option, that is select. And menu means if I do right click and select the appropriate set. So here I have to click on select, then data source, so that is global superstore. And here I need to select the appropriate set on which you want to perform action set. So here I need to select country set because on this particular set I will be performing the action, and the action that I'm going to do is select. So basically there are 3 types of actions: hover, select and menu. Next is running the action view. Now what will happen if I perform action? So it should assign the values to a set. That means whatever country I select, it should assign that particular country to that set, and rest other countries should be removed. So I need to select assign values to the set. Then clearing the selection. Now what will happen if I clear the selection? That means if I click outside, what will happen? So in that case, what I will do is I will add all the values to the set. So whatever values were there before, so those values should be added. So once that is done, then click on OK. And OK. Now let's click on Afghanistan. See, it is showing me only the states related to Afghanistan and profit values of each and every state of Afghanistan, and rest other countries are not visible in the view. Now if I just click outside, that means I'm clearing the selection. So I've selected clearing the selection as add all values. So all the countries are going to be displayed because initially when I created the set, it had all the country names. So it will, once I clear the selection and if I select add all values to the set, so it will go back to the initial set, which was created before. Now let's go to worksheet again, actions, and I'll select this and click on edit. Now let's discuss about the other actions. Let's say if I click on hover, what will happen? So if I click on this hover and OK. So if we just put the cursor on any one of the country, it will just show that particular country along with the states and the profit value. And if I just click outside, it will show all the countries. See, this is Albania. And if I just put the cursor outside, it will show all the countries. See, this way. Now let's go back to the third action, that is menu. So here I will select as add values to the, sorry, yes, add all values to the set on clearing the selection. OK. Now just do right click on Afghanistan and select this action set 1. So it is showing only Afghanistan. Now if I click outside, it is showing me rest of the countries. So in this way, we can use any one of the action. So that's it from this video. Thanks everyone.